Greetings and welcome back to Techi-Mechi. For today's video, I'll show you how you can format a USB pen drive and change the file system of it. So let's get started. Now I'm on my Windows PC, so any of the operating systems that you're using, whether it be Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, you just need to open file libraries or this PC known in Windows 10 or this computer in the past versions. So I have your flash drive. This is my pen drive. So the reason for me to format this is I'll show you. The file system, the file format of this pen drive is currently NTFS. So NTFS is a file system that is not recognized by all computers or machines in which we have the availability to use pen drives. For example, this is not recognized by many televisions. This is not recognized by Mac OS and even Chrome OS. So, even if I use this pen drive as an OTG in my tablet or my mobile phone, my device won't read this system because the Android devices they only support FAT32 or exFAT. So, due to these problems, I'll have to format this. I'll show you how you can too. You need to right click and click on format. So if you are on Windows 10 or versions before that, the interface will look somewhat like this. You need to click format. There you'll have this selected, the capacity will be already given there, and for file system it will be best if you select FAT32. I'm saying this because FAT32 is the most compatible option and almost every machine works with FAT32. Although NTFS is the latest version, still FAT32 is available and is being used till date. Your allocation unit size, you just make it to default. And then volume label, it's up to you what do you keep the name of this pen drive. I'll keep it, for example, pen drive this time. And then just click on start. Make sure you have ticked quick format and you don't have any data in this pen drive, or else you lose all the data. Formatting will erase all data on this disk. Then you need to click OK if you want to format. Format completed. So this is how you format a flash drive, and this is how I've changed the file system from NTFS to FAT32. That is it for today. Subscribe to Techi-Mechi for more such tutorials.